towards the end of the week where you're um, ready to just kind of let it go and be behind you, whatever occurred. And I feel for some people out there, um, it's about you're finally getting to a place where you're willing to forgive yourself for some situations that you created or that you had a hand in. It's like you're taking responsibility and saying, you know what, it was me who was unwilling to do this or unwilling to do that, or I created this because of how I felt about that, etc., or your underlying fears. So you're kind of admitting to yourself your own issues, and you're taking responsibility for what it's created in your life. And so by the end of the week, I get this, element of forgiveness being there. It's a self-forgiveness. It may be something, a forgiveness with somebody else too. Maybe you're going through and doing a personal inventory, but I feel like it's a self-forgiveness issue. So let's see now what our, all right, I'm going to stop the video here. And if you're done with and good with these messages, fine, but I'm going to